Unboxing the last toy, mini brands, minis, fill the fridge. My first unboxing of this. Like I said, I think I need this is my UV light. That's the grip. A lot. Oh, maybe I don't have to. I don't need the UV light. It's just like mini brands, you know, like food, like chocolate kind of. Oh my god, that's gonna be cool. I'll show it the other way. Just even if I show you, you ain't gonna see it. There's a fly away. One bag. Might be enough left. A little fat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags. Wow. First time was a lot of bags. And that's on the bottom. That's cute. A grocery list, and you can write notes. I got a bottle of water. I got Leah and Heron's, the original Worcestershire, I hate that word, sauce, because I don't know how to pronounce it. Worcestershire sauce. I know I'm both butchering it. I think it's gonna stand on the refrigerator. I have to lay it down. Hope some snack, some food, man. I'm gonna die of hunger with just drinking. Okay, what? Cooked lobster. Oh my god. Oh my god. They want me to cook. Do they know I don't know how to cook? A cooked lobster, I gotta cook it. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. I got Pizza Hut. I don't need to cook. I got my own pizza. A Pizza Hut. Aww. This is really pizza in there. I want to open it and then I can't put it back. There's only one. You took my slice. There's a slice missing. Does it come like that? That is so cute. I didn't think there was gonna a pizza in there. That is cute. I gotta get more. I thought it was like the Russian, because I don't mind the Russian, but I don't know. I just want something to open and that's it. And surprise me, you know. I don't wanna. Ooh, is this candy? Is it candy? It's fruit tray. Fruit tray. Ooh. I don't know what kind of fruit, but it's cute. Just to heat up the food or something? Like a microwave? What is it? Oh, I got something at Panda Express. Like my teddy bear. Chinese kitchen. Wonder if no, you can't close it. Chinese Panda. Chinese food. Chinese kitchen. That is cute. These look so cute. I'm glad I got to buy it to see what it's what it's about. Everybody was all talking about it and show you the other way, the other toys and everything.